Hello, everyone. Recently released ChatGPT-5. Now everywhere can hear ChatGPT-5. But free users can't still access ChatGPT-5 in their official website. Here are some easy and cool ways to access ChatGPT-5 free for general users and also developers. Like and subscribe and enjoy the show. First, let's start from general users. You can access ChatGPT-5 using Edge browser Copilot options. Also, other browser users can access ChatGPT-5 using Microsoft Copilot website. So now let's see how developers can access ChatGPT-5. If you're using GitHub Student Pack, it is 100% free. First, go to GitHub Copilot using this URL. Then clicking three dots, go to Settings. Now under Copilot Features section, enable ChatGPT-5. Let's test it. It's worked fine. Let's go to access ChatGPT-5 on VS Code. See, it's now available on VS Code. If you use GitHub Copilot Pro under GitHub Student Developer Pack, it can access 100% free. Make sure to like and subscribe for more future this type of content. Thank you.